The Nest Building Challenge. Papa Bird teaches Chirpy, Tweet and Peep how to build their very first mini nests. Each chick tries a different style, and chaos and feathers fly. Mama's secret recipe. Mama Bird invites her children to help make her famous berry pie. Peep eats half the berries while Chirpy accidentally knocks over the flour, clouding the whole kitchen tree. The First Flight Festival. It's the day of the annual flight show. The chick siblings must conquer their nerves and learn to fly. Under Papa's watchful eye and with Mama cheering below. The Lost Feather. Tweet loses his lucky red scarf during a windy storm, and the family embarks on a mini adventure through the forest to retrieve it, learning teamwork on the way. The Mysterious Whistle in the Wind. The family hears a strange whistling sound through the trees. Chirpy insists it's a ghost, but Papa knows it's something much simpler and more musical. Rainy day in the treehouse. Stuck indoors from a rainstorm, the bird family builds a pillow fort inside their treehouse and acts out old stories of when Mama and Papa were young birds. The Blue Egg Surprise. A strange egg rolls into their nest. It's not theirs. The family searches the forest to reunite the egg with its parents, learning kindness and curiosity along the way. The Berry Thief. Someone has been stealing berries from Mama's secret garden. Chirpy leads a spy mission with Tweet and Peep to find the mysterious culprit. Papa's Flying Tales. Around the evening firefly light, Papa Bird tells his old adventure tales, complete with dramatic wing flaps and made-up words. The kids try to act them out afterward. The Migration Decision. As the wind grows cooler, the bird family discusses whether to migrate or stay. The young chicks learn about seasons, choices, and why birds fly far and wide.